Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today is Saturday and it's crazy now. So I'm not going anywhere. I'm just gonna be today on the chat. So I have some analysis I want to be doing right now on GBP, JPY and EURJPY. So I'm gonna go to the chat. I'm going to show you. I'm going to be cleaning up my all the analysis I've made on GBPJPY and EURJPY. Then we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to be analyzing from the starting to the end. So let's see how it goes. So if this is the first time you come across my video, click on that subscription button and don't forget to like and also. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming across my video, I want you to click on the subscription button and also turn on your notification bell so that you will notify whenever I drop a video like this. So I'm gonna be dropping my analysis here, what I'm looking out for on EURJPY, GBPJPY and gold. These are my three major pairs, and the reason why I trade these three major pairs because they're always in correlation. Mostly GBPJPY and EURJPY, it's like a 90% correlation, while gold is an 80% correlation in between GBPJPY and EURJPY. So most time, whenever GBPJPY buys, gold normally buys also. They're always in conjunction. So we are looking out for some position here. We are looking out for market to do something here next week, which is Monday. So guys, looking at the overall trend of the market from the daily time frame on EURJPY, I can see very clearly that the overall trend of this market is bullish, right? It's bullish. So these are levels, these are key levels where I believe price might want to react to when price gets to these levels. Let's switch to line chart. So you can see on the line chart, you can see how price came to this point, sell to the downside, came to this point, reacted and finally break this level, came back and retest on this level before buying to the upside, and price later came back to the same level. There was a reaction. So the reason why I remark this level, this psychological level, is because price have been reacting to this level a lot of times. So I believe if price should get to this level again, these are for swing traders, price should get to this level again, there should be a nice reaction. It's either price will break this level, retest and go down, going for a long sell, or price will get to this level, give some reaction, some confirmation, then we'll be going in for some buy to the upside. So guys, this is another level here. This is another level here. We believe if price gets to this point, there should be a drop to the downside. Price gets to this point, there was a drop to the downside. Now price came down and there's a drop here. We are expecting a drop to the downside, right? Yeah, we are expecting a drop to the downside. Now let's scale down to the 4-hour time frame. I don't want to take much of your time. I just want you to watch this video to the end. Now looking closely at this point here, price have been reacting at this level, and you can see also price has also been reacting to this level, and wherever I mark a black line like this, it always shows that this is a very strong level that price is going to react to, and you can see price is at that point. Price is at this point here. So what should we be expecting? We should be expecting a drop to the downside on EURJPY. So I'm looking out for some sells to the downside on EURJPY. You can see this trend line, this channel line. Price, I'm using this channel line as a measuring tool to show, which shows that price is really going to drop to the downside. Let's scale down to the 1 hour time frame. Now from the 1 hour time frame, I'm looking at price creating some kind of an M pattern here. Then we're looking out for sell here the next day, which is Monday. We are looking at some position for a sell here on EURJPY. So that being said, let's scale up to the GBPJPY chart. Now on the GBPJPY, let's move on to a daily time frame. They are always in correlation. Take note, they are always in correlation. GBPJPY, EURJPY, they are always in correlation. So looking at this point here, you can see price have been reacting to this point. Let's switch to a line chart. You can see how price have been reacting to this point. There's always been a reaction at this point. So what does it mean? It means that probably it's always in probability, but you just have to be sure. If price should get to this point, there should be a drop to the downside. We are expecting a drop here. Yeah, we are expecting a massive drop here, maybe to this point, or to this point. I believe it's going to get to this point. Probably it's going to get to this point, and this is a key level where there have been a lot of reaction here. Price gave us a W pattern here, showing us that this level is actually a very strong level. If price should get to this point, there should also be a strong reaction. But the reason why we are here is because we want to know what price will do here. If I should switch to a candlestick pattern, you will see that price reacted to this point and drop. Now price is coming back to the same level. What do you think is going to happen? We are expecting a drop. We all know what technical analysis is. Technical analysis is the use of price, is the use of past price action, the previous price action, to determine the future price action. So now this is what price did here. Price reacted to this point. Now here price is coming back to this point. There should be a drop to the downside, right? Now let's switch to the 4-hour time frame. Now from the 4-hour time frame here, from the 4-hour time frame here, price is trying to create some kind of an M pattern here. This was the first push to the upside, price came down, and this is the second push to the upside. What do you think is going to happen? We'll be expecting price to create some kind of an M pattern here, then we'll be going in for a sell. And if price should give us a confirmation from the 15 minutes time frame, then it's going to be a nice sell to this point here. So let's move up to the 1-hour time frame. Now from 1 hour time frame, you can see I've already drawn out what I'm expecting right here. I'm expecting price to like break this level. This is a very strong level. Let me switch to there's a level here. This level, what I draw here, there's a level here. I got this level from the 15 minutes time frame based on market structure. Yeah, based on market structure, I got this level here. So I believe on the 15 minutes time frame, I need this confirmation. I need price to come react to this trend line, get up here and give me a nice confirmation and M pattern. Then I'll be in for the sell to this point. This is what I'm looking at for on GBPJPY. And we'll be switching down to the gold chart. Now on the gold chart, remember the reason why I like this pair is that they are always in correlation. GBPJPY, EURJPY, it's like 90% correlation, while gold is 80% correlation. There's always a reaction whenever there's a reaction also on gold, on GBPJPY, on EURJPY. What am I saying in essence? If EURJPY is selling, GBPJPY should be selling, and if gold is selling, probably most times EURJPY or GBPJPY is also selling. So on gold, we are seeing some kind of reaction here. Let me switch to a daily time frame first of all. Let's look at the candlesticks here. You know, there was a momentum candle, a bullish momentum candlestick here, which later reacted to the psychological level and start dropping to the downside. You can see this bearish momentum candle, and as time goes on, this bearish momentum candle start weakening, start showing some kind of a weak sign here because of the rejections. And I still believe there's still going to be a drop here from this point to this point, or maybe probably to this point before maybe a retracement. And you know, I believe gold is going to get to 2980. I just believe so. Probably it's going to get to this point, but we are only taking advantage of the current price movement around this level. So we are looking out for gold selling, right? So now let's scale down to the 4-hour time frame. Now from the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing a very nice bearish candle here creating, price is creating a very nice bearish candle here. And if this bearish candle should close, I need a retracement to this psychological level to give us an M pattern. Then we are in for the sell to the downside. So now we're going to be scaling down to the 1-hour time frame. I don't want to take much of your time. I just want this video to be snappy and quick as possible. Now price have already get into this psychological level, and price have make some kind of resistance here and withdraw to the downside, close, and price have closed below the psychological level already. So what are we now looking at for? We are looking out for some sell to the downside, right? We are looking out for some sell to the downside. Price should be selling to the downside. That being said, I need a nice M pattern there. And if I should see a confirmation from the 15 minutes time frame on the London session, then I think probably we'll be going in for some position. So guys, this is what I'm having today on these 3 pairs, and I believe if this adds some values to you, I want you to click on that subscription button and also turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I do a video like this. Peace.